everyone. A very good evening to all of you. Welcome to yet another super exciting session lined up for you. Let us begin our discussion on a case study done on success story in pharma by Pixel Rush for client Sun Pharma. I'd like to start by welcoming our speakers, Nikhil Karnani, Head Content and Strategy, Pixel Rush Digital, Nilotpal Singh, Category Head, Health Supplement and Skincare, Sun Pharmaceutical Industries Limited, Consumer Healthcare, OTC. Now, before I request Nilotpal to lead the discussion, I'm going to request all the delegates to keep posting their questions in the chat box, and the panel will address a selected few at the end of the session. Over to you, Nilotpal. I'll be accessing the PPT. I'm uploading it on the platform. Let me know when you want me to share the slides.
Yeah, thank you, Nikita. Thank you so much for the invite and making part of this learning forum. Equally excited to share some of the learning that we have been managed to garner through Revital Ramjan campaign. So I would request you to just present the slides and then we can start.
Sure. Just give me 1 minute. Are the slides visible to you?
No, not now.
What about now?
Yeah, you can go full speed.
Yeah. Just 1 minute. Over to you. Yeah.
Yeah, you can move to the next slide.
Okay.
Hello, everyone. I'm Nilotpal and I take care of brand building exercise for brand for Revital. Revital is India's leading health supplement brand and with a separate offering for men and women both. The core constituency that brand operates into is energy and stamina. So Revitalex promises the supply of that additional dose of energy when your battery is running low. So it gives you that additional dose of energy so that your battery remains charged throughout the day. So that's a broad benefit that brand operates into. And with that thought, I will take you through that Revital Ramadan campaign that we have been doing for last 3 years, and what change that we did during this pandemic in 2020, and how do we converted this challenge to in case of to our opportunity, and we went ahead beyond which was very obvious for the brand to do during this pandemic, and how it also offered lots of solutions for the consumers. So I would request you to go to the next slide, Nikita.
Sure.
So, journey started way back in 2018. So that was the first time when we actually evaluated Ramadan, the holy month of Ramadan, to do something, some initiative around this Ramadan piece. And we thought that how brand Revital can integrate itself very well, and how we can also offer some solution to the Rojedar or the people, those who are observing fast. So, like all of us are aware that Ramadan is a 30 days routine where people fast for 15 to 16 hours, but that doesn't stop their daily routine. They go to work, they go to offices, and lady at the home, they manage the house chores. So, while you are fasting for 15 to 16 hours without water, without food, but you are not compromising on your daily routine, this leads to loss of energy, energy drain. And I think wherever there's a loss of energy, that's where the fitment of brand Revital is apt. We found there's a very apt opportunity for Revital brand to integrate and we can offer some solutions for the people. So we started this initiative in 2018 and what we used to do earlier, we'll put up a health camp outside the mosque or some muhallas or some societies, RWAs. We'll talk or we will train them for the healthy routine, how what kind of diet that they should consume, how to keep themselves active and healthy, even they're considering 15 to 16 hours of fast. And we will also distribute lots of nutritious drink along with Revital. So sampling of Revital used to be done on a very large scale. On apart from that, we will also distribute. We used to distribute Ramadan calendar. So in Ramadan, there's a very particular thing about Sehri and Iftar. So Sehri is the morning thing when they have their last meal, and then they break their fast in the evening. And the timing is very something that they are very particular about it. So we used to distribute Ramadan calendar, obviously with the branding of Revital and all. So these are one of the ways that we used to help and reach out to these people across the nation, across the country. But unfortunately, 2020, due to this pandemic, this was not possible. You can't go out, you can't go to the people, you can't meet them, and you can't offer any solution in person. So we thought that how do we then continue this and what role that brand can offer during this pandemic. So we went back to our drawing board, we went back to our thinking board, and we realized that Islam is based on the five pillars. There are five pillars which holds Islam together. The first one being faith. In Urdu, it is called Shahada. The second one being called prayers. Then the third one is fasting. Fourth one is pilgrimage. And the fifth one is zakat, donation. So our entire campaign thought is based on this zakat. So if you realize, if you remember during this pandemic, during this April and May month, millions of migrant workers, those who are working in the metro cities like Delhi, Bombay, Bangalore, Surat, Ahmedabad, and all, they were going back to their native towns because they had lost job. They did not have a fixed source or income source. And but yes, this is about belief. This is about faith. So Ramjan was compulsory. There was no compromise on this. On other hand, during the consumer immersion, we also came to know that the people, those who observe fast for 30 days, they experience it, they find it difficult in initial 7 to 8 days, but after that it becomes a habit. So there was a very fine line between faith and tradition. At no point of time, we were very cognizant of the fact that at no point of time, any act of ours should challenge their faith. So we say that while Ramjan is there and it will continue, and I know, and we will be partner and will help you to celebrate this holy month of Ramadan, but we'll also offer some solution. So we were thinking about it and we are having a discussion with our team. And we realized that all those laborers or daily wage earners, they had lost their job and they had a very limited access to healthy and nutritious food, especially kids. And because while the government was doing their bit, but obviously it has its own limitation. We had some millions and millions of migrant workers moving around in the metro city. So we thought, let's go ahead and let's help them to celebrate Ramadan. And instead of just making it a brand initiative, we say that let's make it a people's moment where we ask people. So we ask people that let's come together and help these needy people to celebrate Ramadan. Let's do something on the line of zakat, which is donation, and how we can improve how we can help them to enjoy their iftar, how we can help them to have a nutritious food during this month, and let's together celebrate and make our bonding, make our emotional bonding even stronger. So I think this act, whatever initiative that we did, have been responded, have been received very well, and we had huge participation. We reached out to we helped more than 10,000 families to supply food. We had partnered with NGO, a local NGO based out at Delhi, and we reached out to slums, we reached out to some workers community, we reached out to multiple cities. So we had created a platform where people came, donated, and Revital said that every penny that you will contribute toward this noble cause, Revital will donate an equal amount, and together, you and me, you and the brand Revital, we together will help these many people to celebrate this Ramadan. So that was the genesis of this particular campaign, and it has been received well and have been recognized across multiple forums. And it has been a success story for brand Revital. We had very emotional letters, we had very emotional feedbacks from these consumers or these people. So what we have earned as part of this initiative, that we have earned love, we have earned respect for the brand, and I think this initiative and this message is going to stay longer. So we went ahead, we went beyond the rationality, while as a brand we survive for a purpose, because consumption takes place only when someone is in a big problem, when you experiencing lack of energy or when you are tired, then only you consider Revital. But here we have gone beyond that, and we have definitely established a very emotional bond with these people. and I think this is going to stay in their heart for a longer duration. So, but all this was an idea. To execute this, we were needing our partner, our digital creative and media partner, to execute it well and make it happen in the real life. So we went to Pixellus, and I would request Nikhil to take you through entire piece, that how this campaign was executed well. And yeah, so over to you, Nikhil. Nikhil, we can't hear you.
I guess you're on mute, Nikhil.
Hold on for a second. Am I audible now?
Yes. So do you want me to start with this slide?
Yeah, am I audible? I just wanted to confirm first.
Yes, you're audible.
Sure. Okay. Sorry, Nilotpal, I missed a couple of minutes, I think, initially when you were talking about the background of the campaign and everything. So just wanted to thank Nilotpal and Sun Pharmaceuticals team before I proceed on to detailing out the campaign, starting from the brand objectives, because they've been a supporting client, they've been a supporting brand, and not only they view the campaign from the critical point of view, they also give their important inputs as well in the whatever campaigns that we do with them. Yeah, so shall I proceed with the brand objectives now?
Yeah.
Yeah. So as Nilotpal explained in the previous slide, that there was already an association which was established, and Revital was a part of this association from the past 2-3 years, where they were going ahead and be participating in Ramadan activities that was happening on ground as well. Sampling was also part of it. User interaction and engagement was also part of it. So we thought this year came with a huge problem of pandemic and lockdown as well. So it was not possible for the brand to go on ground and execute such kind of a campaign. So we thought how to actually integrate the brand benefit and the product benefit, and to extend this relationship further. So that became the brand objective for this particular year, and then arriving on to how to extend this particular brand narrative in an emotional manner, where we can actually talk to the audience and make a significant impact on their lives as well, but not to withdraw our core positioning of energy and strength per se. Talking about the digital objective, obviously, when we are running any kind of a campaign on digital, there has to be some platforms that we have to identify which can help us amplify the campaign in a decent manner. So that was part of the digital objective, where we identified suitable and relevant platforms, and the media units, the creative assets as well, and how to use all of these creative assets across the platforms. So as we detailed earlier, the major problem this year was the pandemic, not only for the brands and not only for people in marketing and advertising, but also people like Nilotpal mentioned, millions of people on ground and traveling from one state to another, didn't have any source of food and nutrition. So how Revital extended and nurtured this relationship, where they can help the Muslim community, help people to continue with their traditions and continue with their culture, while we can arrive at a balance between faith and tradition and help them out in this critical times. Yeah, so this was the main idea that Revital Edge and the team Pixel Rush came up with, called as Donate a Plate, wherein we identified and created a platform wherein we ask people to go to the platform and create a virtual iftar plate of their choice. It had some different kind of food elements as well. We'll be showing you the microsite glimpses in the coming slides. And for every we donated, Revital Edge contributed an equal amount to it. Now, what happened at this stage was we identified that there are 4 pillars of Islam, and charity being one of the main important pillars of Islam, and actually plays a critical role in any Ramadan celebration for any Muslim individual. So we identified that particular pillar. Now the challenge was to not only identify that pillar, but how to actually communicate that pillar and communicate that pillar into an interesting manner, where this emotional connect can be established as well. So in the coming slides, can you please move on to the
Sure.
So when we spoke about establishing the emotional connect via Donate a Plate, we thought that Iftar Ki Thali can be the name of the microsite, and wherein the main communication proposition can be driven through this Iftar Ki Thali, and people can come and create their own Iftar Ki Thali. So if you can maximize the screen, or maybe you can zoom into the screen, you can see there's a thali placed right below the creative copy, and wherein people can tap on the respective food items, and the food items get added onto the thali. So our main objective was while people click and come to the microsite, the user experience has to be really simple and plain, wherein no dropouts happen from the screen, and people can easily participate and engage with the microsite and the platform as well. So whole objective, whole thought and execution team sat, and we thought that it should be as easy as possible, and the important thing here was to identify what all food items are actually relatable to the Muslim community, what do they normally eat during their Ramadan period. So if you can see, there's a glass of sharbat, there's banana, there's dates, there are apples. So we made sure that kind of connect we are not losing out on when we are trying to say that we are creating iftar ki thali for the needy people.
I actually missed the video a bit because it won't be able to. I won't be able to play it because of the system constraint. So
Okay.
I missed it.
Okay, so I'll request whoever would be interested in watching the main campaign video which we created as a part of this campaign, which was already also run as a TVC across different publications and different TV media channels as well, can go to YouTube and just simply type Revitalize Ramadan campaign, or maybe we can share the links with the members who are watching this particular case study. We can go ahead and share those links as well.
Yeah, please.
Talking about all of these media promotional assets, as I mentioned earlier, there were platforms that we identified where engagement can be made possible, and the kind of treatment can be done through the publications and digital banner ads as well. On the left most, you can see the video being placed on Sakshi TV channel as well. So a combination of media properties were identified, popular and a prominent and a relevant creative theme was identified, where we use different kids, snapshots of various kids, and the message was as simple as you can see, share or iftar with a child in need. In the middle you can see a Facebook and an Instagram creative, and on the right hand side you can see different creatives in the banner ads on the different websites as well. Talking about the campaign results, since the campaign ran for almost 2 weeks time, 3 weeks time, and these many people we were able to reach out through different kind of platforms, and around 10,000 plates were totally donated through this campaign, and which was an equivalent to rupees 3.1 lakhs, which was the total amount of donation received. And as the theme of the campaign, as the promise from the brand as well, the same equivalent amount was donated by Revital as well towards the initiative.
That's the last slide.
Yeah, that's the media attention that so various prominent media publications like Brand Equity, Ad Gully, and various local publications as well covered the campaigns exclusively.
All right. That's about it, I guess.
Yeah.
So Nikhil,
I think there were some couple of questions coming up in between. So
yeah. So just give me a minute. I'll access those as well. Yeah. So I'm going to read aloud those questions.
Sure.
Question 1 is, how did you decide which platform to use and what was your logic behind it?
See, objective being one of the core agenda over here, and then one of the main objective of doing this campaign was engagement. We wanted more and more people to know about this campaign and to participate and engage in this campaign. And social media, being one of the leading engagement platforms for us. So I think it was an easy choice for us to go and talk about this campaign on social media. And Revital has considerable engagement numbers coming up through social media as well, and does regularly post content regularly on their social media channels as well. So it was an easy choice for us in that case.
Okay. Nikhil, second question. Just give me 1 minute. How did you measure the effectiveness of this campaign? As in, could you attribute SOV, that is share of voice, or sales to it?
No, there was no share of us. Yeah, Nilotpal, you wanted to say something.
Yeah. So I think campaign effectiveness, there's two ways to look at. One is obviously the sales, and the other is that what was the KPI that was set for the campaign. But for us, we went beyond that. It was not just looking at what impression and how much clicks and likes that we were able to garner. Sales is something that, as I said, you'll not be able to measure the impact on the sales immediately, because now that you have done something, people will start and start consuming it. It's a relationship, it's a bonding that you of time. So if it has any impact on your brand performance, it will be in terms of what brand respect, in terms of what kind of mind images that you have been able to garner through this initiative. And then obviously this all will lead to the sales. And honestly speaking, we have been started seeing some of the positive traction, especially in certain pockets of the country. So once you earn the respect and love and you help them when they are in the problem, I think it will definitely give you a positive result.
Wonderful. Nikhil, Nilotpal, we're actually 2 minutes up from the time that we decided we run this session on.
Yeah.
So thank you so much for joining in. It was a very interesting and engaging conversation.
Thank
And
you.
I would like to thank all our delegates for joining in. This was the last track for today. We'll see you again tomorrow with lots of more interesting conversations. A special thanks to our sponsors, Z5, Infowave, Financial Express Bandwagon, Flipkart, Jagran New Media, Telesign, ShareChat, Blink Digital, and Nielsen. Thank you. Stay tuned.
Thank you.